Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Onde. If you're looking to launch or digitize a taxi business in Europe, you are probably already comparing different platforms. This video is here to make that choice easier. We'll look at Onde and eCabs technologies side by side so you can understand which solution is better suited for building and growing a modern taxi business. Let's go! Both platforms provide the core components you need to run a mobility business, including passenger and driver apps, dispatch panels, and management tools, but they are designed with different goals in mind. eCabs Technologies started as a taxi company in Malta and later turned into a software provider. Its solution is closely tied to its own operational model and is mainly proven in a limited number of markets. Onde, on another hand, is a mobile-first, white-label platform designed specifically to help you launch and scale your own brand anywhere in the world. When you choose a platform, how quickly you can actually launch and test your business matters a lot. With Onde, you can start with a 14-day free trial, fully self-serve. Once you're ready, full branded apps can typically be launched in around 4 weeks. With eCabs, access is usually provided through a demo process, and there is no self-serve trial. The launch process is longer, typically including setup, team training, and a beta phase before going live. Let's continue with apps and branding, because that's what your customers will interact with every day. With Onde, you get fully white-label passenger and driver apps branded with your own logo and published under your own developer account. Your business is presented as a standalone brand in the app stores, while Onde handles updates and maintenance in the background. eCabs also offers apps and mentions white-label capabilities. However, based on publicly available case studies, their solutions often follow a franchise-style branding approach. So if having a fully independent brand is important to you, that's something worth clarifying when evaluating the platform. Another key difference is localization and market reach, especially important if you're planning to operate across multiple European countries. Onde is built for global scalability. You get support for over 70 languages, including full right-to-left compatibility, multiple map providers, and more than 20 payment gateways. Local payment options can also be added on request, depending on your market. eCabs is primarily used in selected markets. While it supports core localization needs, it doesn't offer the same level of flexibility when it comes to expanding into new countries or adapting to regional requirements. Moving on. When it comes to marketing, the difference between the two is quite significant. Onde doesn't just provide the technology, it supports you in actually acquiring users. Every Onde plan includes App Store optimization, so your apps are more visible from the moment they launch. On top of that, you can work with Onde's in-house marketing team for paid campaigns on Google and Meta, branding strategy, and campaign reporting. Here is why this support matters. For most taxi and ride-hailing businesses, mobile apps are the main way customers book rides. If your app isn't visible in app stores or supported by active marketing, you are missing a major part of potential demand. Offline marketing alone won't save you here. eCabs takes a different approach. Instead of focusing on built-in marketing tools, they provide hands-on guidance for launching and operating your taxi business based on their experience running similar operations. Marketing and user acquisition are typically handled separately. Onde provides an AI-powered dashboard that helps you understand your business in real time. It highlights trends, flags operational inefficiencies like idle drivers or low-demand zones, and suggests ways to improve performance. On top of that, it integrates with tools like Google Analytics and AppsFlyer. eCabs also provides analytics and reporting tools as part of a more modular setup. You can track growth trends, booking sources, completed jobs, and popular zones, along with customer activity insights. For deeper analysis, the platform integrates with external tools like Power BI, Adjust, MoEngage, and Talon One. One key difference between the platforms is how far you can expand beyond ride-hailing. With Onde, you can move into a super app model and add services like food delivery, parcel delivery, and other on-demand use cases, all within the same platform. It is designed to let your business grow into multiple verticals over time without changing systems. eCabs is focused on building and running ride-hailing and private hire operations. If your goal is to stay within that space, it covers that well. But if you want to expand into multiple service types under one brand, that's where Onde is built to take you further. Finally, let's look closer at pricing. Onde starts you with a one-time setup fee, followed by a flexible monthly model. Depending on your business, you can choose between a revenue share, a fixed monthly fee per active driver, or a per ride model. There are no fleet size limits, so your costs scale with your strategy, not your head count. eCabs uses a pricing model based on a fixed monthly platform fee with additional per ride charges as your volume grows. Pricing is usually provided on a case-by-case basis depending on your setup. So, who should choose what? Let's put everything into perspective. Onde is a good fit if you want a ready-to-use white label platform that supports different markets, adapts to local requirements, and is easy to use for both drivers and passengers. With support for over 70 languages and a wide range of payment options, it is designed for businesses that want to grow across regions. It is also a strong choice if you value things like a free trial before committing and transparent pricing from the start. Go with eCabs technologies if you're looking to join a franchise-based model. This approach is typically suited for companies that prefer not to build their own standalone brand, but instead operate within an existing framework with support on market entry and operations from a vendor with taxi industry experience. I hope this was helpful. If you want to dive deeper, you can check out the full comparison. If you'd like to see how Onde could work for your business, you can also book a free demo with our team. All the useful links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time!